Our foundation head, Miss Linda Lasmana, teachers, guests, and friends, a lovely afternoon. Events like this fill our hearts with pride and excitement. But there are two people more proud and a lot more thrilled than us. Our parents, I bet on that, who could be more loving and supportive than our parents. From the moment we came into this world up to now, our parents are there through thick and thin, love us, take care of us, and provide for us. They work hard so they could give us a comfortable life and send us to good schools like Lollipop Preschool. I'd like to tell my friends to obey our parents because they always love us and always want the best for us. They're God's gift to us. So this afternoon, allow me to represent us all friends in saying thank you. And we love you so much, our dearest parents, moms and dads. This graduation and all the happiness, honor and pride that go with it are yours as much as ours.
Thanks a lot, Gracie. Now, let us watch a media presentation of the prep students' activity highlights and messages from their friends.